Good morning, David.
Morning, Mia. Did you sleep well?
Yes, David, but it feels strange without my phone.
I know, Mia. No alarm, no scrolling, just silence.
Silence can be nice, David, but it also feels empty.
True, Mia. What should we do first today?
Let's try to make breakfast, David.
Without money and without phone, Mia? That could be hard.
We still have some bread and milk from yesterday, David.
Good, Mia. We can toast the bread and share the milk.
Simple breakfast, simple life, David.
Do you miss coffee, Mia?
A little, David. Usually I order it from the cafe on the corner.
Me too, Mia. But today, we live differently.
Yes, David. Today is about living without money and phone.
It feels like an experiment, Mia.
Exactly, David. Let's see how far we can go.
After breakfast, Mia, where should we go?
Maybe we should walk around the city, David.
Good idea, Mia. Walking is free.
And we can watch people, David.
People are always interesting, Mia.
But without a phone, David, how do we know the time?
We can look at the big clock near the station, Mia.
True, David. Old ways still work.
Do you think we will get bored, Mia?
Maybe, David. But maybe we will discover something new.
Like what, Mia?
Maybe we notice details we usually miss, David.
That would be nice, Mia. I want to feel present.
Yes, David. Present in the moment.
Breakfast is ready, Mia. Toasted bread and milk.
Let's eat, David.
It feels humble, but peaceful, Mia.
Peaceful is better than busy sometimes, David. David, the sun feels nice this morning.
Yes, Mia. It makes the walk brighter.
Without a phone, David, I can really hear the birds.
Same here, Mia. Usually I wear headphones.
Look, David, the bakery smells so good.
I know, Mia, but we don't have money to buy anything.
True, David, but we can still enjoy the smell.
That's a small joy, Mia, but it feels good.
Do you miss checking messages, David?
A little, Mia, but I feel lighter without constant notifications.
Me too, David. No buzzing, no rushing.
It feels like freedom, Mia, but also a little empty.
Yes, David. The streets look different when we just walk.
I notice the old buildings, Mia. Their details are beautiful.
And the flowers in the small garden, David. So colorful.
Without a camera, Mia, we just enjoy them with our eyes.
Sometimes that is better, David. No need to post everything.
Exactly, Mia. Just living in the moment.
Do you feel hungry again, David?
A bit, Mia, but we'll manage until later.
Maybe we can find free water somewhere, David.
Yes, Mia, the public fountain near the park.
Let's walk there, David. It will refresh us.
Good idea, Mia. And the park is peaceful.
Look, David, children are playing without phones.
They look so happy, Mia, just running and laughing.
Maybe we forgot how to enjoy simple things, David.
You're right, Mia. Life doesn't need to be complicated.
The fountain is here, David. Let's drink.
Cold and clean, Mia. It feels good.
Simple water can be so satisfying, David.
Yes, Mia. Sometimes the simplest things are best.
Where should we go next, David?
Let's sit in the park, Mia, and watch the world.
Perfect, David. No rush, no phone, just us.
I like this, Mia. A day without hurry.
Mia, I think it's time for lunch.
Yes, David. I was waiting for you to say that.
Let's sit here on this bench, Mia. It's perfect.
Good choice, David. The view of the trees is nice.
What do we have for lunch, Mia?
I packed sandwiches, David. Simple but filling.
Sandwiches sound great, Mia. I'm already hungry.
Here you go, David. One with cheese and one with eggs.
Thank you, Mia. I'll take the cheese one first.
Good choice, David. I'll have the egg one.
This bread is soft, Mia. You made it fresh?
Yes, David. I baked it yesterday.
Impressive, Mia. You always make food taste better.
Thank you, David. It makes me happy to cook for us.
The sandwich is perfect, Mia. Simple and delicious.
I'm glad, David. Food tastes better when we share.
Do we have anything to drink, Mia?
Yes, David. A bottle of water and some juice.
Juice sounds nice, Mia. Can you pour me some?
Of course, David. Here's a cup of orange juice.
Thank you, Mia. It's refreshing and sweet.
Yes, David. Juice always tastes good outdoors.
I see a few ants, Mia. They smell the food.
Yes, David. But we'll be careful and not drop crumbs.
Good idea, Mia. We don't want too many visitors.
True, David. This bench is ours for now.
I'm full already, Mia. The sandwich was big.
Same here, David, but I saved cookies for later.
Cookies, Mia. You really thought of everything.
Yes, David. A little sweet treat makes the day brighter.
Thank you, Mia. Lunch was perfect.
You're welcome, David. I enjoyed it too.
Mia, are you ready to start cooking dinner?
Yes, David. I've already washed the vegetables.
Good, Mia. What's the first dish we'll make?
I was thinking of making pasta, David.
Pasta sounds delicious, Mia. Should I boil the water?
Yes, David. Fill the pot and put it on the stove.
All right, Mia. The water is heating up now.
Great, David. I'll chop the onions and tomatoes.
Do you want me to cut the garlic too, Mia?
Yes, David. Chop it finely so it blends well.
Done, Mia. The garlic is ready.
Perfect, David. Now I'll sauté the onions.
The smell is amazing already, Mia.
Thank you, David. Add the garlic to the pan, please.
Here it goes, Mia. The garlic is sizzling.
Wonderful, David. Now add the tomatoes.
Done, Mia. The sauce is starting to thicken.
Stir it slowly, David. We don't want it to burn.
Don't worry, Mia. I'll keep it moving.
Good, David. The water is boiling. Add the pasta now.
Pasta is in the pot, Mia. It needs about 10 minutes.
Perfect, David. Meanwhile, I'll grate the cheese.
That will make it creamy, Mia. I love cheese.
Me too, David. It gives pasta a rich taste.
The pasta is ready, Mia. Should I drain it?
Yes, David. Then mix it with the sauce.
Done, Mia. The pasta looks amazing.
It smells delicious too, David. Dinner is ready to serve.
Thank you, Mia. Cooking with you is always fun.
And tasty too, David. Let's eat together. David, the weather looks nice tonight.
Yes, Mia. It's perfect for a walk after dinner.
Should we go to the park, David?
That sounds great, Mia. The fresh air will be good.
I'll grab my jacket, David. It's a little cool.
Good idea, Mia. I'll bring some water bottles.
Are you ready now, David?
Yes, Mia. Let's head out together.
The stars look beautiful tonight, David.
I agree, Mia. The sky is so clear.
Can you hear the crickets, David?
Yes, Mia. It makes the night feel peaceful.
Look, David, children are playing near the swings.
Yes, Mia. It reminds me of our childhood.
I used to love swinging high, David.
Me too, Mia. I always tried to reach the sky.
The fountain looks lovely with the lights, David.
Yes, Mia. The water sparkles under the lamps.
Do you feel relaxed, David?
Very much, Mia. Walking with you is calming.
I'm glad, David. It's our little evening tradition now.
Yes, Mia. We should do this more often.
Let's sit on the bench for a while, David.
Sure, Mia. I like listening to the night sounds.
The breeze feels gentle on my face, David.
That's true, Mia. It's the perfect ending to the day.
Thank you for coming with me, David.
Thank you, Mia. I always enjoy our evening walks.
Mia, it's getting late now.
Yes, David. I think it's time to rest.
Did you enjoy the day, Mia?
I did, David. It was full of nice moments.
I liked our evening walk, Mia.
Me too, David. It made me feel peaceful.
Do you feel sleepy now, Mia?
A little, David, but in a good way.
Let's prepare for bed, Mia.
Yes, David. I'll switch off the lights.
Don't forget to lock the door, Mia.
Already done, David. Everything is safe.
Good. Now we can relax, Mia.
Yes, David. The house feels calm tonight.
What time shall we wake up tomorrow, Mia?
Around 7, David. That sounds perfect.
Okay. I'll set the alarm, Mia.
Thank you, David. That will help us start fresh.
Mia, I'm really glad we shared today together.
I'm glad too, David. It makes life special.
Sleep well, Mia. Sweet dreams.
Good night, David. Sweet dreams to you too.